Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. It's been raining like a good bit now. I doubt the creek's got any higher, but I'm still about to ride back there and go see. I'd be surprised if it's any higher because it ain't raining hard or like that long, really. So I doubt it'll be any higher. Because look at the water right here. I doubt I'll go live tonight because I got to do some schoolwork, but I'll probably go live on the gaming channel tomorrow night. I doubt it tonight. Yeah, it ain't no higher. Didn't figure it would be. Just hit my hand. Alright, I'm gonna quit before I kill my clutches. I'm gonna hop off for a second. I want to look at this and see what it looks like. Oh, this is gonna be my thumbnail picture probably. Oh, I've got in a habit, even though that don't even hurt, I just grunt for some reason like that, like old people be doing. Those roots won't let me back up. Oh. The tires are just spinning in the mud because they won't go up the hill good. Alright, there we go. I was holding the brake. Might have back in over here. need new grips, but I ain't gonna buy them till, because I got other priorities I need to save for more than grips. I can deal without good grips for another buy. These are just worn down. They were good while they were still, I had a lot of grip. For like $10, they're good. I'm probably gonna get ODs. I want to see what the hype about is on them. I want to see if they're actually good. I've heard a lot of people say they're really good. And there's a little bit of water down there. I doubt we could get over there. Look at all this smoke from the steam. Good way to drop in down there like there is over there, and people say go upstream like that way. You literally can't, and this can't fit under the bridge, and it's like way too tight of trees down there, because I've already tried to get further down where it's like it's just a wide open, like just water holes, not even water holes, it's just a bunch of water on the ground. It's not deep in no spot, it's just a big swamp. It's like really shallow. I don't know what you call it. I ain't good at describing. But I've tried to go to it, and I got like stuck in between two trees. Like it was too tight for this to fit, so I had to back out. And it put a big dent in my plastic, like right there. And I beat it out with a hammer because I was mad. I gotta add another zip tie or something. I'm tired of it wobbling like that. Wonder how muddy it is down here now after the rain. Oh, it don't even look like it's gonna be not muddy like it's been. Yeah, it's pretty muddy, I would say. Yeah, it's way muddier. Oh, dang it. I'm soaking wet now. But my back is. I'm backing into that tree right there. I had to spin the tires a little bit. I paved the road. It was like really, there was a bunch of clay over here, but they paved the road. I keep saying paved, scraped it. Look at all the doves. Dove season comes in pretty soon, I think. I don't know how many days to be exact, but I know it comes in pretty soon. There's a bunch of them out there right now. peace out. I'll see you on the next video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like and sub. Peace.